The Mercedes-Benz B-Class W246, produced from 2011 to 2018, is a compact MPV designed for urban commuting. It aimed to blend luxury with practicality, but has faced reliability challenges. This video outlines common problems, reliability issues, and typical repair costs associated with this model. Electrical systems in the Mercedes-Benz B-Class W246 frequently experience problems that frustrate owners. The Command infotainment system often fails, with screen freezing and navigation errors caused by outdated software. Battery drain from parasitic loads is another common issue, often requiring ECU reprogramming to restore proper electrical function. The ECU reprogramming process involves complex diagnostic steps to identify and fix parasitic load issues affecting battery performance. Overall, these electrical system problems represent a significant source of frustration for B-Class owners, often requiring professional diagnosis and repair. Petrol models feature the 7G DCT dual-clutch transmission, which is prone to shuddering, slipping, and complete failure, especially after 60,000 miles. Diesel variants use a CVT transmission, which operates more smoothly but can overheat. These transmission issues often lead to costly repairs. Turbochargers in the 1.8 liters and 2.0 petrol and diesel engines can fail prematurely, typically around 80,000 miles, leading to significant loss of power. Diesel particulate filters in these engines clog easily during urban driving, resulting in dashboard warning lights and noticeable reductions in vehicle performance. The Mercedes-Benz B-Class W246 also faces several body, suspension, and interior issues that can affect safety and comfort. Rust formation on wheel arches and the undercarriage is common, particularly in humid climates like the UK or Northeast US, where moisture accelerates corrosion. This can lead to structural weakening and costly repairs. Suspension components, such as ball joints, tend to wear out prematurely, often due to poor road conditions or lack of maintenance. This results in uneven handling, vibrations, and potential safety concerns during driving. Faulty air conditioning compressors are reported in 20 to 30% of cases, causing the AC system to fail and leading to discomfort, especially in hot climates. Replacement can be expensive due to the complexity of the system. Sunroof mechanisms are also frequently problematic, with owners reporting jamming or failure to open-close properly. This interior issue affects the overall driving experience and may require dealership intervention. Repair costs for the Mercedes-Benz B-Class W246 vary widely depending on the issue. Minor fixes like battery replacement typically cost between $200 and $400, while major repairs such as transmission rebuilds can exceed $5,000. Labor rates at Mercedes dealerships are particularly high, ranging from $100 to $150 per hour, which significantly inflates overall repair costs. Additionally, costs have increased by 15 to 20% since 2020 due to inflation and parts shortages. For potentially lower rates, consider independent mechanics who may offer more affordable options compared to official dealerships. Average annual repair costs for the model range from $800 to $1,200, with major components often failing after 80,000 miles. The Mercedes-Benz B-Class W246 receives below-average reliability ratings from major sources. RepairPal gives it a 4.2 out of 10 score, with 45% of all repairs linked to electrical systems. J.D. Power's initial quality study rates it at 72 out of 100, below average, with transmission and electrical complaints 20% higher than industry norms. Experts provide critical opinions on the model's issues. Consumer Reports notes it promises Mercedes luxury, but delivers reliability problems more akin to Volkswagen. Mechanics describe electrical gremlins as the biggest headache, often misdiagnosed. Industry analysts point to cost-cutting measures during the 2010s production as the root cause, leading to higher maintenance expectations for owners. These ratings and opinions highlight the model's challenges, stemming from production decisions that prioritized cost over long-term durability. As Mercedes shifts to EVs, support for older ICE models like the W246 is declining. Preventive maintenance, including regular software updates and fluid checks, is crucial to mitigate costs. Be prepared for potentially increasing repair costs and parts scarcity in the long term.